Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So this video is all about rare earths. We'll start rare earths. There's like a few of them, but they're all ending in iniums. So this is the Neo price chart. So from 2021, 2025. So you can see we've taken out the high here from 23, and it's off to 100. Now why? I mean, you can either go and buy tech stocks that are driven by AI. My preference is to go for the metals with the hardware that's going to come along with the AI boom. So there's a few things we'll just go through. So there's going to be, as I said, increased hardware production. So AI systems require high performance chips which need these rare earths. The growth of AI data centers globally will drive demand. Electric vehicles and robots, AI powered technology, automatic vehicles, robotics. They all need rare earths, renewable energy. It's a good one, isn't it? So all these windmills and turbines need magnets, which need rare earths. And then really the big one, supply chain, because China really dominates the supply, 60 to 70%. And I'm sure rare earths are used in military equipment too. But they would probably want to keep that top secret. So there are some shares on the ASX or A share, but my preferred way is this REMX. But again, you've got to have access to America. So in there you've got Linus, which is one of ours, and then I will go through each one of these. But you can see the price chart. A nice where we've got the declining wedge breakout. It's a monthly chart, so I'll just go to a weekly chart. So you can see we've where this was the next level. So we hopped through this resistance level. This was the next one. So we've just spent a couple of weeks there sitting, consolidating at the highs. There's not much resistance. Up here is probably the next level, technically, from a from a charting point of view. And if we look at the underlying stocks, so this was the entry point down here, but it's not too late. So Linus. So that's a beautiful cup and handle there. The cup, the handle, and off. So that there's Linus is, so this is its next level of resistance. This blue line here. So it's just sitting. If we'll go out a bit more. So it's had an indecision week. So it's good. You can sit there for 2, 3, 4 weeks. The longer it sits, the better. With this one, if it ever does come down, you'd want to try and jump on it. It's funny, I remember there's people, there's like, how long is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. People going, oh, geez, because imagine these these bars went here and it's broken out, it's come down, it's coming down. What's then patience. Alright, so that's Linus, so you can get that on the ASX. China Rare Earth. So they're China's largest and the world's leading producer of high rare earths. See, that's what I expect Linus to do. Like this, just consolidate, then bang. So there's not much resistance there. Albemarle, world's largest lithium producer, global leader in specialty chemicals. So I don't know why they haven't run, but they're waiting to pounce. And again, this is the benefit of the ETFs is you got access to, like if you just buy liners, then you got a bit of company risk going on there. Anyway, MP Materials. So this is the only operating rare earth mine and processing facility in the United States. The US Defence underwrote them at 100. So that's why they took off. So there's basically a floor price now on rare earths. So that's not going to fall over. And see all these declining wedges. Why I like them. Declining wedges are bullish when they're broken. Okay, enough of that. Another declining wedge, bull flag. Shengi Resources. So they're China rare earth mining, smelting, separation and processing. Control a lot of I think they're half owned by the Chinese government. They control the supply chain in China and internationally. They got their fingers in the pie. So they've had their consolidation. That's technically a bearish candle, but when it'll more than likely get broken and then go. Then there's Sociedad Química, the world's largest lithium refiner and second largest lithium producer after Albemarle. So declining wedge, just had their breakout 2 weeks consolidation, so you can guess where that's going next. So they're the main companies in the ETF. Now we do have someone who's in that space. We've got a Luca. They're the world's largest zircon producer. Major supply of high-grade titanium dioxide feedstock. So it's in that bucket of special metals. So declining wedge break. Consolidation up. Going for another consolidation. So that's their next level of resistance. Need to test that. Let's buy down here. So you've done alright if you've followed my tips. Alright, then we got Arafura. So they're not in production yet, so they're getting ready to go. It's all sort of set up. You can see they've had a few phase bounces. So I put a buy out here. They did a capital raise the other day at 19 cents, so it got whacked down. But that still technically looks nice. But that's not in the ETF. And there's another one which is more down the risk scale, because this one's just a concept really. Meteoric Resources. But they've got a place in Brazil, which potentially become one of those other big ones. So there's a declining wedge. It's just sitting on support really. With these types of ones, because they're years away, you don't expect them to shoot the lights out, but you never know. But you just got to buy it and hold it for 5 years. It'll be worth 10 times 16 cents, I'm sure. And we've got this. This was given to me by somebody. Loxley Resources. So we've got a critical minerals project in California. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So they're next door to MP Materials. The big one, the one in America. So it's going up because it's next door to MP. So it's just some land at the moment. I'm sure they're drilling stuff, well, they will be now, that's for sure. But that's not in the ETF. It's just one that somebody gave me. Alright, so that's your rare earths. Again, another complementer to the King MVR, along with some uranium and some gold and some silver. You'll all be well diversified. Alright, let us know your thoughts if you're into it or not. So